If you're joining yarn that is the same color, for instance, if you are making a project and you run out and you need to start with another skein, and so everything about it is the same, then you would do this. Line up your two pieces together, and then we're going to make a knot on each end. Make a knot on one end, take your other end piece, make another knot, take your two pieces and slide to where it meets in the middle. And then take your scissors, cut as close to the knot as you can get on both of your tails. Your knot is not going to come apart. This does not work if you are changing colors. If you are changing colors, you can't control where the next color starts if you do it this way. So